Today we'll be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 259 different strategies, with 81 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 148 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,004 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says this automated TradingView indicator gives highly precise buy-sell signals. And so, of course, we're going to put this to the test to see what we can get out of it. Now, interesting enough, the indicator does not give buy and sell signals, and neither one of the indicators are automated. Not in the way that you would think anyway, not in the way that the title of the source video implies. And so, I guess automated in the sense that it's an indicator and it's just calculating as it goes, because other than that, it's not automated in any way. So a little strange claim from the source video, but again, nonetheless, we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So go ahead and hide those two indicators. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the moving average trend sniper, this one right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Add it to the screen and jump into the settings, and under the input you want to make sure that it's set to 30, and you can change these colors here if you want. So I changed it to green on the first one and red on the second one, just so that way it's a tad bit easier to identify the uptrend downtrend type setup. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the normalized smoothed MACD, this one right here. Click that, again add it to the screen, and once again jump into the settings, and under the MACD fast period you're going to change that to 200. The MACD slow period, you're going to change that to 300. The smoothing period, you're going to change that to 145. And the normalization period, you're going to change that to 100. Jump into the settings on this one. And the smooth MACD right here, you'll want to change that to columns. So go ahead and change that over. And everything else you can leave the same. You can click these two off if you want. Doesn't really matter. All we need are these columns. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for when the trend sniper line switches colors. So in this case it switches from red to green. It's kind of hard to see. If you look at the coordinates, the numbers right above my mouse right here. When I hover over this bar, you can see all of them are red, and the next bar, the current bar right here that just closed, you can see they are all green, showing that it has switched colors, even though it's kind of embedded right behind the price action, and again, kind of hard to see. So we look for that switch in the coloration from, this case, red to green. Then we're going to look down to the MACD, and we want that to have a green bar. It doesn't matter if it's above or below the zero line, it just has to have a green bar. Once those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. Put your trade right there, put your stop just right below this swing here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We just kind of chop around for a moment, then make this push, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, what we are looking for again is that switch in the coloration of the trend sniper. So in this case, it's going from green to red. And again, if I hover over the current bar, you can see all the colors, all the numbers up here are colored red. And if I go back one, you can see they are all green. So this is the moment where it switches to red. We're then going to look down to the MACD and it has a red bar. Again, doesn't matter if it's below or above the 0 line, just as long as it is a red bar. And so that's going to be your signal to enter into a short trade. This time I'm going to put the stop just right above this pivot right here. You can see it comes down, kind of forms this little pivot right here, and then we are going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, just like before, we just kind of come down, run into consolidation for a little while, then make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you are looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So definitely not highly precise buy and sell signals, and again, not automated in any way. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 41 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for an overall gain of $18,300. And so significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We're keeping track each week of the trades that the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this not this last week, but the week before that, I still haven't gotten to this most recent week's trade yet, but the week before that we did 6 trades altogether on the Forex pairs. We had 4 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at a 66% win rate. Would have been a gain of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning, 1 losing, a 66% win rate again, and a gain of $300. All in total for the week, we would have been up $900, and at the 22-week total, we would have been up $38,260 over 187 trades. You can see more information on the strategy here, more stats, and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.